When we got to know that we have won this award, we were very happy to receive it. And because this case study has been used by many institutes globally, it makes me feel recognized. So this award is very important to me. I think with the business environment becoming very competitive, digital innovation, digital technologies has gained a lot of prominence. And since Starbucks had already been into several digital initiatives, it worked in its favor. Maybe that's why the case was used in the curriculum which fitted in digital strategy, digital innovation. I think choosing the right topic is the most important thing. And a case study should have a management dilemma and a protagonist who's trying to solve that challenge. And based on the suggestions in the case, students should be able to arrive at a decision point, like how the protagonist can tackle those challenges.